What are the best natural and at-home remedies to prevent tartar buildup? Now, let's clear something up right away. You cannot remove hardened tartar at home. If anyone promises that, they are lying. But here's the good news. You can slow tartar buildup massively if you do the right things. And that can reduce cavities, gum disease and dental visits. What is the tartar really? Tartar is the hardened plaque. Plaque is soft bacterial biofilm. When plaque stays on teeth long enough, minerals from saliva harden it. Once that happens, it bonds to the teeth, enamel and roots. No natural remedy can dissolve tartar safely. That requires professional instruments. So at-home care is about prevention and not removal. The most effective at-home habits. These are the habits that actually work. Proper brushing technique. Brush twice a day for 2 full minutes. Angle the brush slightly towards the gums. Gentle pressure. Scrubbing harder does not clean your teeth better. Electric toothbrushes are more effective for plaque removal. Daily flossing or interdental cleaning. Tartar loves areas in between. So floss once a day, no shortcuts. If floss is difficult, use interdental brushes or water flossers. Something between the teeth is better than nothing. Fluoride toothpastes strengthen enamel and slows mineral loss. It also makes plaque less sticky. This indirectly reduces tartar formation. Fluoride is still the gold standard. Now there are some natural ways, natural supportive methods that do help. Now let's talk about natural or supportive options that can help. Chewing sugar-free gum. Chewing gum increases saliva. Saliva neutralizes acids and washes away the plaque. Look for xylitol-based gum. Xylitol reduces harmful bacteria. You can do oil pulling. Oil pulling can reduce bacterial load in the mouth. It may help with plaque control, but it does not remove tartar. Use it as a supplement and not a replacement. Rinsing with water after meals. This is underrated and very effective. Rinsing removes food debris and sugars. It reduces the fuel bacteria need to form plaque. Diet control. Sugary diets. Less sugar and fewer frequent snacks means less plaque. Sticky carbs are worse than actually occasional sweets. Frequency matters more than quantity. Things people think work but do not. Let's bust a few myths. Baking soda, lemon, vinegar, charcoal. These can damage enamel if used incorrectly. They may remove surface stains, but they do not remove tartar, and they increase sensitivity and erosion. Natural teeth does not always mean safe. Who builds tartar faster? What builds tartar faster? Some people form tartar faster no matter what they do. This depends on saliva composition, mouth breathing, smoking, dry mouth, crowded teeth, gum health. These people need professional cleanings more frequently. That is biology, not poor oral hygiene. Now, what are the realistic expectations? Here is the honest takeaway. At-home care can reduce tartar formation. It cannot eliminate it completely. Professional cleaning is still necessary, but good home habits can make cleanings easier, quicker, and less frequent. So remember this, you cannot scrape tartar away at home, but you can starve it, slow it and control it. And that makes a huge difference to your oral health.